Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show we have the ARMORBOX from I-Blason. It's for the iPhone 7 and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's take a look at the ARMORBOX from I-Blason. I-Blason is one of those companies that I just love. Makes some very tough, durable, cool phone cases for every type of phone. And this is the ARMORBOX. Oh, look at the color of that. This is super cool. I can't say enough of how much I love the phone cases from I-Blason. I mean, I highly recommend them. They will protect your phone. They look great. They feel great in the hand. This one, super cool with the green on here. Let's take this off here. Now, just about every phone case that you're going to get is going to be coming with a kind of like a plastic screen protector. And so what I recommend is that you take this out, and these come out very easy, but that you replace this with probably a tempered glass, a white stone dome. They make a great tempered glass for your phone, and I'll have a link down below where you can find that for your iPhone. But they do come with one, but this is just kind of like a plastic right here. It has a hole so you can put your finger through here to click on the button on your phone. So let's go ahead and install that. Pretty easy here. And then we just slip the back cover on here. Beautiful. Look at that. This is so sharp. And it also comes with one of these belt holsters. And this part right here will turn. Wow, this one really turns nice. Some of them, it's a little bit tough to turn, but wow, super nice. And you can see, clicks right onto your belt, side of your pants. What I also like to do is I will put the phone in, and I'll hit record, and I'll just put this right on my shirt, or a jacket like that. And there you got a body cam. You could be walking around and filming, and you'd be able to see your arms go like that. You can be kind of creative with that. You can also hook it to something, if you're going to be filming. Nice. And kind of holds the phone up just like this. How cool is that? Also, take this out and turn it the other way, like this. What you do is just fit it here, snap it in, and protect your phone. Another cool thing I love about I-Blason phone cases. Look at that. See the camera right there? Well protected. Keeps it above the counter if you're going to rest your phone above the counter. Also, the front side with this, when you lay it down, not going to scratch the lens at all. It raises it above. Also, whoa! Let's say you got a T-Rex coming at you. It's going to protect your phone against any type of T-Rex attack. So check this out. I'm going to have a link down below where you can find this. Let me know what you think. I mean, this is such a cool color. I love it. I'm going to have a lot of other phone case reviews on here. Got to check them out. Check out the company I-Blason. I don't think you'll be sorry with it. I highly recommend it. Been using this for years. It protects the phones through bumps, drops, everything. I highly give it a 2 thumbs up. Check out the link down below. I-Blason, best company you can deal with. All right. Hey, have a fun day. Make sure you subscribe. We'll talk to you later. Adios.
Bye-bye.